In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shapes and how to see shapes in the portrait and the figure. So today we've got the lovely Annie helping us with this video on how to see shapes. And first I want to talk about the tools. Now, one thing that's really useful is something called a plumb line, which is basically a wire or a fishing line in this case with something heavy on the bottom. And what this means is that it will bring this down to the center of gravity, so you always know it's going to be a perfect straight line. And this is very useful if you're comparing shapes on, for instance, Annie's portrait. We can see that if I go from the middle of her eye, I can see that this goes down to the corner of her mouth, for instance. So this is a very useful tool if you're working on an easel, you have a straight easel, and you want to measure some of these vertical points of the shapes. If you enjoyed this video, do have a look at our other short and long drawing tutorial videos.